Hi there mga beloved yung soulmates. Welcome to Renzo Tarot Channel. Dito lang po nilingkod para bigyan ka ng isang soulful, meaningful tarot reading. Dito lamang po sa inyo lagi nabangan at sinusubaybayan ng Renzo Tarot Channel. Nagkabigay shoutout po sa lahat nating soulmates sa buong Pilipinas at sa buong mundo na lagi nanonood. Maraming salamat po sa inyong walang sawang tiwala at suporta. Sige po, ang ating pong reading na pagsasamahan ngayon ay para po sa ating mga pinakamahal na nasa sign ng Libra para sa buwan ng April 2026, Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus sign. Tingnan natin kung anong mga dapat mong abangan, mga ganap para sa inyo sa buwan ng April 2026. Kapag bago po kayo sa ating channel at di po kayo nakasubscribe, please do subscribe. And if you're watching this video sa atin pong TikTok account, RenzoTaro444, huwag po kayo mahiyang mag-follow. And if you want to avail a personal reading, mag-send lang po kayo ng message sa ating TikTok account at pag-usapan po natin kung paano po kayo makakapag-book ng personal reading. Sige po, huwag nating patagalin, pakunin na natin Libra ang iyong 10 baraha para sa iyong April 2026 reading. Spirit Universe, Spirit Guides, Angels, Ancestors, Holy Spirit, Saint Michael, 10 cards please for Libra. Spirit Universe, Spirit Guides, Angels, Ancestors, Holy Spirit, 10 cards please for Libra. Maraming salamat po. I hope you're doing great. I hope you're healthy, you're safe, and of course, you're happy. Thank you so much po sa inyong walang sawang tiwala, support at pagmamahal simula noon hanggang ngayon ay hindi nyo po ko iniiwan. Maraming salamat po. So, last 3 cards for you para sa buwan ng April 2026. Mga soulmates kong Libra. Sige. Your 10 cards are now complete at huwag natin pang patagalin pa ito because I know that you're so excited. Alright. Sige, para sa buwan ng April 2026, Libra, for your opening card is the 10 of Cups. There's a good news coming on your way. There's a big celebration na mangyayari. So, with the 10 of Cups here, hindi lang ikaw magsa-celebrate, but the whole members of the family, whole friendship, you know, like the whole community will be so happy with this big thing, big milestone na talagang makakamit mo. So, Libra, claim mo na to. Titingnan natin. But congratulations in advance, Libra, because after all those matagal na panahon na medyo naging mabagal, medyo parang ang dami mong pinagdaanan, but here you are, you're going to celebrate in the soonest time. Sige po. Oh, Page of Pentacles. Big celebration related or regarding about big money. Pera ito. So, this is Page of Pentacles about, you know, hindi lang basta pera na malaki, but it will make you so happy. Siguro matagal mo na ito talagang inaantay. It's like more than a years na talagang nilaban mo ito, tsinaga mo ito, pinaghirapan mo, Libra, and because you know that one day, darating yung araw na makakamit mo ito, and that's why you need to claim it. There will be a big celebration regarding money. Maybe there's also, you're waiting for a bonus, a back pay, bayad sa inyo, may mabebenta kayong property, or any kind of, you know, finances na papasok sa inyo comes April 2026. If you're waiting, or if you're looking for a sign, this is, and nakita mo itong video na to, so claim mo na to, Libra, with the Knight of Pentacles, expect, it's like, you know, a celebration regarding money, pera. Money. Oh, good news. So, tingnan mo ha. 10 of Cups, andito yung 9 of Cups. Talagang may manas, magiging ano ka, like, you will be sitting like a boss. This is like a manager, leader, bossing na energy na nakikita natin dito. Siguro Libra, kung may prinasas ka lately about, you know, promotion, may nilalakad ka na visa approval, or kung any kind business improvement or business expansion, or you're waiting for a news about something na mag-elevate yung position mo para makakadagdag sa mga cups na may ipon mo, achievement, recognition, award, or whatsoever. So, Libra, i-claim mo na ito because here, grabe, gaganda na mabarahan natin with the 9 of Cups. So, Libra, talagang you are bound. Talagang you're on the path to recovery. You're on the path to greatness, more blessings, abundance, prosperity. Oh my God. This is amazing, Libra, huh? So, pang-apat mong baraha para sa April 2026, we have here the 5 of Pentacles. This is a reminder for you. This is a warning by the universe na Libra, magdahan-dahan sa pagkagastos. Kasi Libra, parang lately daw, parang ubos biyaya, one day millionaire ang peg mo, yung style mo. So, alam mo ngayon, hindi maganda yung takbo ng ekonomiya ng mundo, may kaguluhan. So, lahat ay apektado, mga presyo ng bilihin, whatsoever. So, with the 5 of Pentacles, this is the best time for you to reflect on your financial decisions. Huwag basta padalos-dalos sa mga gastos. So, if you can monitor it, kung saan ba ito napupunta, kung wala namang dapat importante baka kasusan ay talagang maghigpit ng sinturon or you need to make a way to manage your finances and resources kasi mahirap na kapag nawalan or naubusan, hindi naman araw-araw ay Pasko Libra. So, you're being reminded by the universe to be cautious, maging maingat sa iyong kaperahan. Sige, panglima mong baraha ay Five of Sword. So, with this Five of Sword, I can see here na parang may mga Libra na matagal lately, nakaraang buwan, or like 3 or 6 months ago ay parang nag-hermit mode, parang napakalayo-layo kayo. Hindi kayo napansin ng mundo or parang hindi kayo na-notice. Wala kayong update, wala kayong social media, wala kayong post, hindi kayo lumalabas ng bahay or parang you move into a certain place or situation na parang kayo lang muna. So, but here, with this Five of Swords, I can see here na it's because you want peace, you want happiness, na talagang kasi puro betrayals, puro pagtatraidor, puro sakit ang naranasan mo sa ibang tao lately. So that's why nagpakalayo-layo ka, nanahimik ka, hindi ka muna nagparamdam. So and when it comes April 2026, you will be regaining the happiness and contentment na hinanap mo kasi talagang gumawa ka ng paraan o ng action, nag-decide ka talaga na manahimik muna or magpakalayo with the Six of Swords. So, Libra, just continue doing it. Kung feeling mo talaga yung malaki na tutulong nito sa growth mo as a person, so you don't need to ask other people's opinion or validation from other people. So, you need to continue being true, to being honest to yourself with this Five of Swords. Talaga magtutuloy-tuloy ang happiness na hinahanap mo or yung contentment. Okay? So, before we proceed to our last 5 cards sa ating second row, ulitin ko pa kapag di pa po kayo nakasubscribe, please do subscribe our channel, mag-comment, like, and share, of course. Kapag sa TikTok nyo po ito napapanood po kayo, may mag-follow, mag-comment rin po. And of course, if you want to avail our personal reading, I just send me a direct message sa ating TikTok account, Renzo444. Also, warning po, may mga poster po, may mga nanggagaya po, nagre-upload po ng video sa atin sa TikTok at nagchat-chat po sa inyo. Please, hindi po akong unang nagchat-chat para sa personal reading. Kung may una po mag-chat sa inyo na Renzo Taro 444, hindi po ako yan. Please double check ha. Huwag po kayo magtiwala. Kayo po ang unang mag-chat-chat sa akin and ako po magre-reply sa inyo. So, please be cautious. Ang dami pong manloloko sa panahon ngayon. So, pang-anim mong baraha, Libra, para sa April 2026. Okay. Nine of Pentacles. So, tingnan mo ha. Connected ng baraha. Ten of Cups, which is celebration. Pentacles, tungkol talaga sa pera ang isa-celebrate mo, Libra. Whether you like it or not, ihanda mo na ang sarili mo kasi talaga there's a big milestone regarding money or finances na talagang parating sa'yo. So, Nine of Pentacles, here you are. So, kung dati nga sabi ko medyo mabagal yung growth, medyo matumal, medyo mabagal yung pasok ng pera, comes April 2026, it's like a full speed, parang acceleration, ang bilis ng takbo, ang bilis ng pasok ng dating ng kaperahan para sa Libra. Sige, pampito, King of Cups, stability. You don't need to worry, walang problema sa trabaho, sa mga katrabaho, mismo sa workplace mo, kung nag-aaral ka man, so medyo magiging smooth ang lahat, transactions, or your career, or whatever. So with the King of Cups, I can see here, stress-free, no worries. Just need to take it easy. Everything will be in good condition. Wala kang poproblemahin. So, with the King of Cups, I can see here a stable situation in terms of your career, milestone, journey, or your dreams, studies, relationship, all aspects. So, Libra, grabe. Naka 7 cards na tayo, puro positibo. Walang halos itapon sa mga barahang ito. Empress. So, I can see here also, katapat na good news na Nine of Cups, Libra. May mga Libra dyan na nagpaplano mabuntis, but I can see her pregnancy. So, if you're not ready, so magdoble ingat. But if you're ready, if you're planning for it, congratulations, may good news regarding pregnancy. And also, I can see here with the Empress card na siguro Libra, may nagbabalak sa inyo na mag-change look, magpalit naman ng hairstyle, hair color, magpapayat, mag-go to the gym, something transformation about your physical looks and physical body. So, gawin mo na to, magparetoke, kung ano man yan. So, may nakikita tayo dito. It's all about improvement on your physical look. So, push for it, go for it. So, but I can see here, congratulations in advance sa mga Libra na mabubuntis if you're planning for it. Oh, look at that. Sabi ko nga, celebration. Meron din tayo nakikita ditong Libra na ikakasal this year or mag-engage, magpo-propose yung partner. I can see here also expansion about business, growth. Although, paano naman yan? May kaguluhan. Yes, if luck is on your side at magaling ka naman kahit paano during the crisis time, may mga negosyo namang lumalago. But Three of Cups, Ten of Cups, dalawang celebration na talaga nandito. So, i-claim mo na to Libra, meron talagang something big, something extraordinary milestone that will be opening for you. Opportunity, blessings, good news that you're going to celebrate, Libra. So, sabi ko nga, congratulations. So, you truly deserve this, Libra. Your heart is very pure. You are a very hardworking person. So, no question about all of these things and blessings na maaaring matanggap mo or parating para sa'yo. 10th and last card mo sa April 2026, Libra, will be the Tower. So, ending, katapusan, may mga sitwasyon na hindi na talaga para sa'yo, na nahihirapan ka na, nagbibigay lang ng stress at problema sa'yo. The universe will be doing its job para tapusin ito, bumagsak, or mag-close na ito. So, whether you like it or not, kailangan mo mag-move on, move forward to a certain situation na siguro nag-hold on ka pa, pinanghawakan mo pa at alam mo nang hindi na para sa'yo or hindi na talaga nakakatulong sa'yo. With the Tower card, so all of that things will be ending para sa ikabubuti mo. Alam naman natin, Libra, kapag may nagtatapos, may mas magandang kapalit. So you don't need to worry, you don't need to dwell on it. So what you're going to do, tumayo ka muli, bumangon ka, and you need to face the reality and you need to move forward. Your life will be moving forward now after a long time na naghanap ka ng peace of mind, happiness na-compromise ang happiness mo, na to the point na dahil kakafocus mo sa career mo, sa pag-solve ng problema, ay parang nakalimutan mo naman mag-enjoy. So this is the best time to move forward with the Tower card. Your life will be moving forward in a new journey na talagang puno naman siya ng kasiyahan, puno naman siya ng blessings, Libra. And of course, there's a new recovery period for you. I'm so happy with this reading. No drama here, no negativities here. This is full of hope. So I'm wishing you all the best in life, Libra. Maraming salamat po sa inyong muling pagsama. Nasa man po kayo ngayon naroon, ano man ginagawa nyo. Maraming salamat po. Pinamahal kong sa umis na Libra hanggang sa sunod nating pagkikita. Maraming salamat. Pag-ingat kayo lagi and God bless us all.